All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to remove list items. So the remove method removes the specified item. So remove specified index. The pop method removes the specified index. If you do not specify the index, the pop method removes the last item. The del keyword or delete keyword also removes the specified index. The del keyword can also delete the list completely. To clear the list, the clear method empties the list. The list still remains, but has no content. So with that, let's jump into our notebook now and take a look at this. All right, so I'm back in the lists notebook. So in this section of lists, we're going to talk about how to remove list items. So the very first thing we're going to cover is the remove method. Okay, so the remove method removes the specified item. So the example that we were using in the previous videos, we were using our list equals, and we were doing Google, Facebook, and YouTube. So let's do that again. So we'll do Google, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay, and we will do remove. So our list dot remove, and let's remove Google for this example. Okay, so we'll do Google, and then when I print this, we have print our list, and when I run that, what happens? Now it's just Facebook and YouTube. Okay, now if we remove a specified index, we have to use the pop method. Okay, so for this, we would do our list equals, and we're going to do, again, we'll do Google, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay, and then when I do our list.pop and we do 1, it's going to take out Facebook. So I print our list, and what do I get? I get Google and YouTube. Okay, so it does exactly what we want it to do. If you do not specify the index, the pop method removes the last item. Okay, so let's take a look at that, and let's not specify anything, and I'll run that again, and now you can see it kept Facebook and Google and deleted YouTube or removed it. Okay, so that's another way to do it. And then the del keyword or delete keyword also removes the specified index. So the syntax is a little bit different, but I'll show you. So our list equals, and we'll do Google, Facebook, and YouTube again. So Google, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay, and we'll do del, our list, and then in brackets we'll put 0. Okay, and then we'll print our list, and what do we get? Google is deleted. Okay. Now the other way we can do it is we can use the delete keyword, and you can also delete the list completely. Okay, which means anything that we write, it'll just delete the whole list. Okay. So Google, Facebook, and then YouTube. Okay, and if I do delete and then our list, let's run that. Nothing shows, right? So let's print our list. Our list is not defined. So the list has been deleted, okay, which is good. So I'll delete the print here, and we'll just run that again, and you get nothing, and that's the point. There's nothing there, okay? Now to clear the list, we have to use the clear method, which empties the list. Okay, the list still remains, but it has no content. Okay, so if I do our list equals Google, we do Facebook, and we do YouTube. Okay, then we have our list.clear. Okay, and we print our list. You see? So now we don't have any list there. But I should say we have a list, but we have no content. Okay? And that's a way to clear a list if you need to for a specific part of your programming experience. Okay? So that's how you remove list items. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.